Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine in Old School RuneScape. Wine making is a fantastic way to train your cooking skill, offering excellent experience rates. It's also quite accessible, requiring only a modest cooking level to start. We'll cover everything from gathering your ingredients to the final fermentation, ensuring you can easily create your own jugs of wine. To begin your wine-making journey, you'll need just two main ingredients: grapes and jugs of water. Grapes can be obtained from various sources, including the Cook's Guild or the Grand Exchange. Empty jugs are readily available at general stores and can be filled at any water source across Gielinor. These simple items are all it takes to start crafting your very own fermented beverages. Once you have your ingredients, the crafting process is straightforward. Simply use your grapes on a jug of water to create unfermented wine. This unfermented wine will then take 12 seconds to ferment into a usable jug of wine. Each successful jug provides a generous 200 cooking experience. A unique mechanic allows you to stack experience by continuously making wines before the timer runs out. Making wine offers significant benefits, especially for training your cooking skill. You can achieve impressive experience rates, potentially over 500,000 experience per hour. At cooking level 68, you will stop making bad wine, ensuring a 100% success rate. While not a major money maker, finished wines can be used for healing or sold for a small return, making it a worthwhile endeavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.